Guys, tapos na nating testing, compression tester. So, ang pinakamalakas na cylinder na naitala ay cylinder number 3. Acceptable pa naman siya. So, ang minimum values ng Nissan E15 is 98 minimum, 158 ang pinakamataas. Pero cylinder number 3, parang meron ako nakukuhang 165. Or nagkamali lang siguro. Pero 165. 155. I believe it is acceptable pa naman. So this engine, according to the previous owner, na overhaul ito noong 2021. Buong buhay po ng kotse na ito ay company car. So the last owner, which is the Mapicon company, siya yung termite paano ba natin yon? Termite killing company talaga. Termite management na lang company. Siya ang huling nagmay-ari nito before we bought it in September 5, 2022. So all of the values, cylinder 1 to 4 are all acceptable, malakas. So considering ako po yung naglagay po ng cylinder head gasket or nag-replace, I think what I have done is acceptable. Ginawa ko naman po lahat. Torque values is based on research. Yung paglagay, and then yung pag-torque, initial torque and the final torque and the retorquing that I have done is pasok po dun sa values na hinahanap po ng engine or sa assigned values po niya. So I believe this car is running well considering sa values po na nakuha po natin. And maraming salamat po sa tools na ito. Bubuksan ko na sana kasi may sumisirit na pressure I think it's the gasket, exhaust gasket number 1, kasi parang pumuputok siya So akala ko naglilik yung cylinder number 1, pero it came out. The cylinder head is fine. And before natin tinest pala, we followed the normal operating procedure on how to test. Pinainit muna natin sa according to the normal temperature. It is according to the operations manual ng tester na to. And also sa YouTube din. Thank you YouTube University for giving me knowledge sa pag-diagnose ng sasakyan na ito. Everything is YouTube, especially internet din pala, Facebook. Special thanks to Sir Taylor Henderson, dahil naibalik ko sa tamang timing yung research ko versus dun sa sinasabi nung engine. Parang dapat sa ibang araw po yung kanyang tinuturo. So dahil sa pagtatanong, na-assemble po natin ang engine na to. Well, I'm happy for myself. Of course, I believe I earned my first stripe as a DIYer. Parang DIYer to mechanic na yata. Pasok na. Thank you very much.